How to build a website with Hostinger, the step-by-step guide. Creating your own website is fast, easy, and affordable. Whether you want a blog, online store, or business site, you can get started in under 30 minutes, no coding needed. 1. Choose what type of website you want. Decide whether you want to build a blog, online store, business site, or portfolio. This helps shape your design and content. Step 2. Get web hosting. Sign up for a hosting plan on Hostinger. It's fast, reliable, and beginner-friendly, plus, it's super affordable. Check the link in the description to get a special discount on Hostinger. Step 3. Get a domain name. Pick a unique domain name for your website. With many Hostinger plans, your domain comes free for the first year. Step 4. Install WordPress. One-click setup. Hostinger offers one-click WordPress installation. No technical skills needed, just click and go. Step 5. Choose a theme, your website design. Browse thousands of free and premium themes in WordPress. Pick one that matches your style and purpose. Step 6. Add plugins, extra features. Want a contact form, SEO tools, or e-commerce features? Install plugins directly from the WordPress dashboard to extend your site's power. Step 7. Create your pages and content. Start building. Add your homepage, about page, blog posts, products, whatever your site needs. Step 8. Launch and promote. Once you're happy with your site, hit publish. Share it on social media, add it to your email signature, and let the world know. Remember, the link to Hostinger is in the description below. Use it to grab your exclusive discount and start building your website today. Have a nice and lovely day.